Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you which fuse corresponds to the mass airflow sensor on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2018-2017. If you have a engine code that relates to the mass airflow sensor, guys, always check that fuse. Sometimes they'll burn for moisture and things like that, and this Fiesta, guys, will be taking the whole thing apart. More than 200 videos will be coming. Check out the description for more details, and let's go ahead and show you which fuse is for the mass airflow sensor now. Okay, so what we'll need to do, we'll need to open the hood and locate the front fuse box, the one in the engine compartment. Okay, so once you open the hood, guys, the fuse box is located, okay, right here. This is the fuse box. You have two things that you squish, one on this side, one here. Squish towards each other, okay, pull it out. Sometimes you get stuck, okay, in the hoses right there, but you'll come. And on the back side, okay, let me get out of the sunlight, you can see the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the cover. On the back side, we need to locate fuse number 33. 33 is this one right here, 7.5 amps. That's the fuse for the mass airflow sensor. You just grab it with the pliers, pull it out, okay? We'll get the replacement fuse and just go ahead and install it. Okay, this is the new fuse here, and just go ahead, push it in. So these guys will be the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, check out the channel, and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.